I used to be divinity. I used to be a god in my mind, sailing in an odyssey. I didn't know I was blind. And when every time I set a course into the dark night, it would follow me silently with searchlights. I was only in my mind. You were on the outside waiting. I could feel all the time. Your voice could save me. Now all these sirens sing for me, but I just wanna hear your melody. I call and I can hear you sing, but it's only my echo. It's only my echo. I thought it was destiny. I was gonna conquer the sky, then plummet to the ground and be anchored by your side.